Oh my, do I have a big video for you today. Oh my goodness. So it's been 2 years since I filmed a video like this. I think it was in 2019 when I filmed what you need to take to uni, everything that you need to take, all the essentials. I literally think that was like the end of 2019 basically, which is so crazy to think that it was that long ago. But I have another one of those videos today and I'm so excited to show you absolutely everything. I want to say thank you to Cherryz. Thank you so much for helping me make this video. As you can see, I did a massive Cherryz haul with the help of the Cherryz team to show you all of the essential things that you need to take to uni. Cherryz is the most amazing app if you're a student. This is going to make going to uni so easy, particularly if you're a freshman. This is the app for you. This app will show you literally everything that you need to take with you, and it's all organized in like the most amazing button list. So it goes from like dental care, facial care, body care, that like it goes from like soaps to then creams, electrics, food. If you're self-catered, this is so the app for you. But also if you're not self-catered, you're obviously going to still need things like body wash, face wash, all of those things, and it's listed out for you in the most amazing way. I can't believe this app exists because it's literally so perfect. So I'm going to show you all the bits that I picked up. I've also made a list on my blog of all the things that you need to take, so that's like structured out for you, and these are the things that I picked up because these are the essentials that I took. Literally, if you look at the video of me going to Cambridge, the things that I picked up with the help of Cherryz are literally basically the exact same things that I took to Cambridge with me in 2019. Oh my goodness, where has the time gone? If this is the kind of video that you like to see, make sure to give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here, and without further ado, let's pack for uni. Also, this is my new pumpkin. I adore this pumpkin so much. This is the essential to take with you to uni. You definitely need something like this in your room. The necklaces, Silky Italia, I will link it down below. I'm going to do this like section by section, so it's going to be like body care bits, that includes like dental care, facial care, all those things, and then I'm going to have like food bits, and that's like things that have like an amazing shelf life. That's the kind of things that I took with me because I didn't want to take things that were too heavy, and I didn't want to take things that would go off like really quickly, obviously. Even if you aren't self-catered, then you might want to take some foodie bits just in case, because you'll probably still have like a little kitchen area that might have like a microwave and like maybe a stove, because I know that some like don't have like an oven. If you're like having uni food, like if you're at Durham, you might still want to take some snacky things and things to like have in your room if you don't want to be eating in the cafeteria all the time, because you might want to break from that kind of food and you might want to just like have something more simple. Also food for like on the go as well. Also electric bits, if I didn't already say that. Also, I have an amazing discount code, which I am going to link down below. That will get you so much money off, which is amazing. Everything is the most incredible price anyway. Literally most of the things that I picked up here, I think I picked up 27 things and it came to like a total of £30. So basically everything was roughly £1. These are really big, full-size everything. So this is an amazing app if you have like lots of things that you need to get before you go to uni or once you get there and you want it delivered super quick, because this came in like a matter of days. Like it was so fast, it was unbelievable. So I'm going to start with like the body care bits. Obviously two things that you're going to need to take with you are like your facial washes. So I picked up this tea tree exfoliating facial wash and this charcoal facial wash detox cleanser. Ooh, which sounds amazing. Charcoal face washes are so good. Like, I don't know what it is about them. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago that I was, maybe it was 2 years ago, maybe it was like over a period of like a year or two that I was like using charcoal ones, and I found them really good. And I know the people who've used charcoal things and their skin is amazing. So I would definitely recommend putting something like this in your bag when you're like packing to go, just because you want to have it with you as soon as you get to uni. And also they're like really lightweight, and they're also the most amazing price because I got all of these through Cherryz, by the way. I feel like that's obvious, but I just thought I would say literally all these things, and as I said, like basically £1. Oh my goodness. I would definitely recommend just taking a facial wash with you, because as soon as you're going to want to get clean. And another great thing to take with you, because you're going to want a quick shower. You know, things in Freshers Week go really quickly. Like, it's actually such a blur. Like when I think of my own Durham Freshers Week, like so much stuff is happening, and you're going to need that like 10 minutes of me time to get in the shower, like just wash off the day, get ready for the night, because so much stuff happens. So I picked up these two really amazing sounding body washes. This one is They're both from Imperial Leather. This one is Marshmallow. I've wanted to try this for so long. And this one is Cotton Clouds and White Cashmere. As you can see, they both look so nice. And as you can see from the bottles, they're literally £1. Yeah, they smell so nice and dreamy as well. Looking at all these products, I'm literally thinking of my own Freshers Week right now. And like, just like what a blur it literally was. I'm literally remembering like the shower room, because it was kind of like a communal shower room, but it has like separate booths. It's just the classic college experience that you like dream of. Anyway, so I also picked up some amazing hair care bits. This is a anti-dandruff shampoo from Palmolive, which is a very famous brand for being like nourishing and that kind of thing. So I thought that would be good for shampoo wise. And I also picked up a Alberto Balsam coconut and lychee conditioner, because that sounds super dreamy, super summery as we're going into autumn, like keeping a bit of summer back. And then I got this head candy conditioner as well. As you can see, this is literally 750 mils, and I'm pretty sure this was no more than like £3.50. And this is like salon quality type of conditioners. This is so unbelievable. So if you're wanting to like be on a budget, defo check out Cherryz. As I said, everything's going to be linked down below, all those details, and you also get a discount code with my discount code. Still on the body care kind of theme, I also picked up some body creams and face creams that they had on Cherryz. So this is an eye cream. It's so like light and simple. These are the kind of things that you should definitely just like pop in like the edges of like your packing, just so that you have it with you and you don't want to like forget things. I also got this Cocoa Radiant body lotion. I also got this giant 500 ml pot of body cream. It's aloe vera cream, and this was literally like, I'm pretty sure this was like no more than like £1.10 or something. This is an unbelievable price. So yeah, this is the kind of thing that maybe like once you get there and you want to put an order in for all the bits that you might have like forgotten, but if you use the Cherryz app, you definitely won't forget things because it has everything listed out for you. But if you forget anything, then just put an order in, and it's like more of a heavyweight thing that if you want to get that like after. Also, I do have all of these things listed down below and like in a blog post. I'll link the blog post down below, so that if you forget anything, just like literally print it off and like tick off the checklist. I also got 2 deodorants. These are obviously essentials. You're gonna need them. You're gonna be like running everywhere. Everything's gonna seem hectic, but then it will, don't worry, it will like subdue, and you're not gonna be like running around crazy for like the whole of your Durham experience. Don't worry, but like Freshers Week is just so much is going on that you're gonna need to stay fresh and clean. That's why I picked up all these bits. They also have like personal health bits like these. If you know what they are, then you know what they are. There's also dental care bits, so I picked up this giant Colgate mouthwash, and then I also got 2 lots of toothpaste, which was also an amazing price. I feel like supermarkets cost so much more for like, especially for ones like this, which is Sparkle Diamonds. Have you ever seen a better named toothpaste than that? Sparkle Diamonds. Picked up 2 of them because I want to sparkle like a diamond. This was such an amazing find for me on Cherryz, and this is definitely the kind of thing that you might want to pack as a just in case. Like, I know some people literally take light bulbs with them because they're like, what if like my bulb goes out and whatever. But this, I think, in the modern day and age, is something that you're probably going to need, and it is a USB cable. This is a Zenzo Lightning to USB cable, which is compatible with iPhone, and I'm pretty sure this was like £1.50. Like, my cables for my iPhone for some reason are always shredding to bits. I don't know if it's like I bend them or something, but anyway, I need one of these because if you'd seen my current cable, like, I really do need to actually change it into this one. I will do that very shortly. I feel like I whizzed through this, but if you literally look at my video from when I was going to Cambridge, these are literally the same bits I got when I was going there as well. So I just had to pick them up and show you because these were the essentials for me, and they really set the tone for like the things I was buying when I was actually at uni, and they really helped out like in the first few days when like you're getting to grips with like your surroundings, you don't necessarily know where everything is. It's good to have these like staple things just in your room. For me, obviously, noodles was such an essential for me at uni. I was self-catered when I went to Cambridge. At Durham I wasn't, but like if you have a stove and a pan in your Durham like kitchen, even if you aren't self-catered, then these are a great thing to take. This was literally 5 packets of noodles, and they taste delicious, by the way. I had one of them for 90p. This app is unreal. Then I also picked up something that I haven't tried before, but I think this is amazing if you are the kind of person who likes Starbucks, Costa. There's like loads of coffee shops in Durham, but if you don't want to be spending like £4 a day on like an iced coffee, I picked up this, and it's Macate Gold Premium Iced Coffee Drink, mocha flavour, and I think there's 8 sachets in here, so you can make your own. So like get your reusable bottle, literally make one of these, and then instead of spending like £4 a day, you literally will be able to like, I think that this was probably like £1, so like divide that by 8, and like you've just saved so much money, or times £4 by 8, and like that's how much like you could have been spending, but instead you just spent like £1 on these. And I'm sure they're gonna be, I'm so excited to try them. Like after the Dalgona thing, like last year, I've been really, like I literally haven't had a coffee in like over a year, I think, which is crazy. The last one I had was Dalgona coffee. And it's not that I don't like coffee, I do, but I just don't want to be an addict, if you know what I mean. Because I met so many people at uni who were so addicted to coffee. I am addicted to tea though, so, you know, we all have our vices. I also picked up these double deckers. It was 4 for £1. Double deckers are an elite chocolate. Like, let's be honest, I'd only tried these like for the first time, let's say a month ago, and I was like, what is going on with this chaotic lady right here? So I thought I'd pick up some of these. Also, I'd never tried these before, but I'd heard people absolutely raving about them. They're called Flips, and they are milk chocolate coated pretzels, and I feel like this is the kind of handy snack that a lot of people will take with them to uni, like if it's for traveling down or traveling up, or like just having it in your room, because if you're catered for but you want to have something on hand, then these are like a little bit sweet, a little bit savory. I'm so excited to try them. And the final things that I got, this really sums me up, to be honest. If you saw that video from 2 years ago, I will link it down below in case you want to watch it. If you saw that video, one of the essentials that I took to uni as like food things, because like I said, I was self-catered at Cambridge, was chili sauce. And for some reason, these are only 90p on the Cherryz app. So I decided to try literally all the flavours that I haven't yet tried. When I was at uni at Cambridge, I got like the Encona 3 spice. These are all the 2 spice ones, so I got like the more spicy one, but I was like, let's try the different ones. So I got Thai sweet chili sauce, this one, mango chili sauce, and then I got Texan chili barbecue and Jamaican style jerk barbecue as well. So I thought that these were like, for me, I used this isn't normal, but I used like hot sauce, like really spicy, dressing-y kind of like something that you marinate things in, like a dipping sauce, because that's the kind of thing that I do, like instead of using ketchup, whatever. But anyway, that's what I was doing, and it really kept me going. Like it kept me fired up and alive whilst I was at Cambridge. And if you're going to Durham, and if you're self-catered, or even if you're not, and you want to like just have something, so in case you buy some like chips or something when you're out and you're like, you want to take them back to your room and have something tasty with them, then these are the kind of things that I would definitely get. Like I was literally getting through the really spicy one, like at least one a term, and that's like only like 6-7 weeks. So I was really downing it, to be honest. There's like a surprising amount in there as well. I hope that you found this video extremely enlightening, but also very, very helpful. I will list my lists down below on my blog. I'll also put my discount code for Cherryz, because as you can see, like this was £30 and this is so much stuff. I think it's 26 or 27 things here. I'd also like to say a massive thank you to Cherryz for helping me make this video and helping me show all of the amazing bits that I would 100% take with me to uni, or get once you're there, like as soon as you're there, because it'll only take like a few days to arrive. These are definitely essentials. They were my essentials. Cannot recommend them enough. The Cherryz app, so amazing. Literally everything that you could possibly like forget is listed there in the most immaculate way. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here, and I can't wait to see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!